Hey guys, welcome back to D-Wall RC. Put a little short up a little earlier. Big things are coming to D-Wall RC. There's big things. My next project showed up today. I'm going to go through the small stuff here first. Do a little unboxing. I'm going to speed this along as we go through the video, but let me get this down here where I can get a hold of it. Just got some basic stuff to go with it. Got some foam rubber. Got the AR10 100T receiver. 2 remote receivers. When we start getting into the giveaway stuff here, it's going to tell you what it is. Gas fuel tubing, gas pump, smoke pump, got two cell 4,000 milliamp lipos for the receivers. These are little kits to build your fuel cans and your smoke filling stations. And the remote receiver extensions. So that should be all that's in that box. Still got a few things that not come in. The Aura8 Professional. I'll be running it in this plane. It'll plug into these receivers. Just want to make sure all that was in the box. So we're going to set that aside. Dig into this bigger box. Try to go through this quick because you know it is what it is. You know what they say, there's meat and potatoes. There's the meat. One Desert Aircraft DA-70 power plant ignition system. That is definitely the meat of the project. This bag here has got my fuel dots, my engine standoffs, my Velcro straps. Let's just see what all's in here. I need to go back through in a minute and check off my packing list. Straps, servo extension, safety clips for the servos, fuel dots, and engine standoffs. So for now, I'm going to stick these back in there because I'm going to go through and check all my packing list here in a minute. Hard to keep up with all this stuff. So that's in that bag. Prop covers. Exhaust, twin exhaust. massive carbon fiber spinner. That thing's got some size to it. Tenza DS49010BL high voltage servo, throttle servo. Smoke tank. I do know my smoke pump is back ordered. My prop is back ordered. Make sure there's nothing else hiding in this box. It is not. Set that off to the side. Now, let's see what the best way to open these are. You remember what it's like to be a kid at Christmas? That's how I feel right now. I think this is a box in the box, but I just want to make sure. And it is. So just stand in the correct place to let's set this on the floor and see if I can pull this other box out. All right. What we have here is a big old set of wings. It's going to end up with a 100-inch wingspan. Got a screw floating around here. I'm trying to figure out where it goes. That is one wing panel right there. Wide on the bottom. Got to find out where this screw is floating around at. Now I'm just going to put these off to the side. If you haven't figured it out yet, this is the Flex Innovations 70cc RV8. I already have the Flex Innovations 60 size RV8. Such an amazing flying plane. And you know what they say, bigger flies better. Well, this one is definitely bigger. All right. This is your big old vertical stabilizer. You're going to start seeing the sheer size of this plane. That is your rudder. I got UMX planes and the whole plane's not that big. Pin hinges, super smooth. Place to massive carbon fiber wing tube. There's the size of your wing tube. It takes some pretty smart people to figure out how to box all this stuff, I can tell you that. Landing gear. See, that's aluminum landing gear. Woohoo! There's your big old engine counter. Again, starting to get the scope of how big this thing is. I got a pretty big hand, and I can't even come close to covering that. safe, I'm gonna try to keep it in that box. That was the landing gear. I got a feeling this is a horizontal stabilizer. Horizontal stabilizers. It gives you an idea of the size of the tail. That'll be on both sides of the fuselage. Again, white with a stripe with contrast on the bottom, orange on top. I am an orange fan. Got the manual. And it's the wrong manual. This is the Edge 540 manual, so interesting. Hope this other stuff is correct. We will soon see. Not sure what all that is, but just for the record, that is an Edge 540 120cc manual. So that is the wrong manual in the package. So I hope this whole box is not wrong. There's the wheel pants, or as they say, I guess overseas, wheel spats. I have learned they use different terminology. I believe this is the fuel tank. That's what it feels like. That is correct. Fuel tank. There's your carbon rods for the horizontal and vertical stabilizer. Here's your hardware pack, tail wheel and that kind of stuff on that one. There's your rudder servo, because you can decide where you want to install the rudder servo on this plane. Landing gear, landing wheels and tires. The tubing, fuel tubing, and I think that's your decal set. Baffling for the motor cooling. I think that's all of that. Here comes the main course of the meal. She is one large bird, as you can see. very careful. Got it sitting on the edge of this box. And there she is, the fuselage. Massive. Now guys, that's the unboxing. A little disappointed that the instruction manual is wrong, but we'll take care of that. I'm going to clean my mess up. Don't know that I'll do a build video because I just want to concentrate on making sure this is all done correctly and not worry about the camera, but I just thought I'd give y'all a glimpse of what's to come at D-Wall RC. Been wanting this plane for a while, and my beautiful girlfriend Jennifer wanted me to have this plane, so guess what I got? She got me a plane. So this is the new addition to the fleet, the Flex RV8 70cc. It's going to be DA70 powered, flown by Spektrum, with the Aura8 and the AR10 100T receiver with some satellites. Holy smokes, smoke pump. Can't wait to get it all together. But just thanks for tuning in, guys, and stay tuned. I may do a build video, may not sure yet. We'll just see how it goes. But if I don't do a build video, it'll definitely be a maiden video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to get notifications when I post videos, click that little bell at the bottom, and every time I post a new video, you'll get a notification. My latest video right now has got 43,000 views. That's some flights out at our local field, so you don't want to miss out. And that's just in 7 days. So stay tuned and let's see what happens. And happy flying, guys. And remember, always put God first in your life, and you'll go far. Thanks for tuning in. D-Wall RC. I'm David. I'll see you next time.